Today I'm unboxing my DeWalt table saw. Finally, as many of you knew, I have been agonizing over this purchase, man. I looked at Rigid, I looked at Bosch. DeWalt has two models. Since I sold my other table saws before we moved, I've been looking and looking for a new compact portable saw. I wanted one that was compact, portable, but also very, very powerful. As you can see, it's awesome. Out of the box, the blade is real strong, real sharp. I actually really enjoyed it, and I'm normally a Diablo blade guy, but I'm going to use this DeWalt one as long as I can. The throat plate was real strong and attached and reattached really easily, which I also like. My favorite thing about this saw, though, is the rack and pinion fence system. Once you get it aligned, you don't have to undo it and redo it. You can just unlock it and rotate the wheel, which is really nice. Also, the onboard push stick that you can see there is really helpful. I was really impressed. Out of the box, the blade measured up. Everything was square, and so I'm sure it won't always be that way, but for now, really good. Yeah, look, you can just move that rack and pinion system real easy. Measuring it was real easy as well. It actually came out of the box really square as well. That was really cool. A quick look underneath. There's a lot of metal. I love that the Dust Collection's metal there. Next, I wanted to test the weight. I mean, it's heavy, but for a portable saw, I mean, wow. Very doable. Next was to hook up the Dust Collection and fire it up. I love that it starts right away. There's no major jump. I don't even think the table moved when I started it. It's just resting right there. That setup is very wobbly for now. Again, that onboard push stick right there is so convenient. It just sits right there on that rip fence. That's the sawdust that was left over after. Not too bad. So yeah, I am really stoked about my purchase with this saw. It cuts really well, it's powerful, portable, and compact. Perfect for what I need. And I'm gonna make an outfeed table for it as well, so it's gonna be great. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need more information on this exact table saw, head to fieldtreasuredesigns.com and check out my post about it. If you want to see what I'm working on next, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.